Ragailong Pai, Ragailong Women's Society and Ragailong Youth Club jointly felicitated Manipur Mahood, Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Okram Henry at the office of Ragailong Women's Society in Imphal. Pai Gandai and Gonthangmai Kakhangai were also present at the occasion. Radiance Socio-Economic Development Organization and Ward Development Committee of Ward No. 6, Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC jointly organized a one-day awareness program on sewerage connection and door-to-door coverage of solid waste management today at the Ward Development Committee office located at Uripok Hantim Lekai in Imphal. An election review meeting was held today at the residence of former MPCC Vice President Moirangthem Hemanta, who contested the recent by-polls from Wangzing Tenta constituency. Our correspondent reports that a calendar for the year 2021 entitled Thauna Lingzen of Congress was also released during the meeting. An earthquake of magnitude 4.4 on Richter scale struck Nagaland today. According to National Center for Seismology (NCS), the quake hit the Mokokchung region in 8:59 a.m. According to reports, the quake hit at a shallow depth of 23 kilometers beneath the epicenter. There is no immediate reports of any casualty or damage to property because of the quake. The effects of the quake were felt in Assam as well. Delhi recorded a minimum temperature of 6.9 degrees Celsius today, according to Indian Meteorological Department. This is the lowest temperature recorded in the capital since 2006. According to weather experts, today's temperature is lower than 7.5 degrees Celsius recorded on Friday last in Delhi, which was the coldest November morning in 14 years. This is the fourth day when the minimum temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius this season. Hence, it is officially a cold wave situation as the temperature is almost 5 degrees Celsius below normal. 3 Maoists were killed in an encounter with security forces in Barachati forest area of Gaya district in Bihar today. The operation started at 12:30 a.m. today in Barachati forest area in Gaya, a media report said. The bodies of the Maoists, including that of Zonal Commander Alok Yadav, were recovered from the encounter area. 4 others have sustained injuries in the encounter between the Maoists and the security forces. 10 families numbering 60 members who were Congress supporters joined BJP under the initiative of Hairok MLA Thokchom Radhesham yesterday. MLA Radhesham welcomed them to the party by presenting saffron hats and shawl in a simple function held at the residence of Kundrakom Samir. Assam Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal stressed that for the protection of children and to secure their future against exploitation, parents, teachers and all other stakeholders together so work to advocate and promote a right. Interacting with a delegation of children and officials under the banner of UNICEF, the Chief Minister exhorted the need for dialogues and translating them into actions for building a better world for children where they will be free from violence. Researchers at the Archaeological Park in Italy today said that they have discovered the skeletal remains of 2 victims of the eruption of Mount Vesuvius almost 200 years ago in Pompeii. The skeletal remains are believed to be of rich men and Ismail slept in 79 AD. As per media reports, the skeletal remains were unearthed during the excavation of the ruins of the Grand Villa on the fringes of Pompeii.